Hey guys, it's Catfish. Back with another video, man. Now today's video, I'm actually at Chi-Town Alex at his warehouse, and he just picked up a 79 notchback Mustang, man. It's nice, man. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around. I'm about to just do a quick buff on it, and yeah, I'm gonna turn this camera around and let y'all see what it look like. Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, y'all see it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is it right here. It's nice too. Manual. Got the big hood on it. The rims on it. We got a few scratches. I worked on the headlight. It was worse than that, but it's a lot better. But yeah, we're gonna do a quick, just a machine polish on it. I did have this hood. I'm gonna take y'all up here and see. Can y'all see it? See the difference where I stopped at? I'm gonna see. Can y'all see where I stopped at? See? Yeah, you can see right there, got the little scratches. And back here it doesn't. You can see the transition right there. Yep. So I'm about to do the whole car. And I'm gonna let y'all see the process. And then I'm gonna turn the camera off. And like I did, I'm gonna turn the camera off and show y'all the finished product. Well, I'm using a polish that y'all can't buy in the store. Yeah, the only place you can get this is from the actual manufacturer. It's not even online, guys. Some pretty nice stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see the process real quick. I just got a green foam pad and my PA buffer. That's all I'm using. Got on like 4,000 out of it. You don't have to be fast. It don't have to be fast, y'all. I got on a pretty slow speed, 4,000. Wow. That's a whole big difference, guys. Yeah. Yep. Now I done did the whole trunk. I got a couple scratches that I gotta touch up with some touch-up paint. But I've done the whole trunk so far. Man. This thing look good, boy. It look good. I ain't gonna tell you. I'm gonna let y'all see it in a second. Let me wipe this down. Yeah, this is notchback. It's ready to go racing too, guys. I don't know what he's gonna do with it. If he's gonna keep it, if he's gonna sell it. If he gets ready to sell it, I'll let you guys know. Wow. Now, let's go look. Look at that. Now that's a glass house right there, guys. Look at that. If you step back, look, you can see me. Look at this. Man. Yep. Like I say, those scratches right there, I'm gonna have to touch up with some touch-up paint. But look at that trunk, man. Wow. That's amazing. Now, guys, I'm fixing to buff this out. I'm gonna let y'all see before and after. It's pretty shiny, but I'm just gonna go over it a little bit. It's pretty shiny, but I'm still gonna go over it a little bit. Y'all see that look pretty good. But it don't look good to me. So I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit. Let y'all see the before and after. And then I'm gonna bring you back after it's all done. It looked pretty good to the naked eye, but yeah, I'm gonna have to get some black touch-up paint and touch up a few of those scratches. Yeah, this is some good stuff just for a quick buff. No abrasive in it. It's all straight polish. It's all straight polish. I'm gonna make sure I get y'all all the way in there. All right. Now we gonna buff it. I got my DA buffer at 4,000 RPMs. It's just a polish, that's it. Not that fast, 4,000 RPMs. Don't have to be that fast, because you're not cutting anything, you're just buffing.
Sorry to bother you, but I'm looking for 1001 West Bluff.
Huh?
I'm sorry to bother you. I'm looking for 1001 West Bluff.
I'm just a detail guy.
It's a nice little fox body.
Yeah.
It says that it's here, but I don't see anything.
Hey, Alex.
I'm looking
guys.
for 1001
Check
West
this
Bluff.
out.
Oh, Bluff. Okay, so this is Sherman.
Y'all see it.
Oh, this is Sherman. Bluff is the next street right here.
The next street over. Well, it says,
Y'all
according
see
to
it.
the GPS, it would be over here.
No, so Bluff.
Yeah, we
this
got a
street right
delivery
here,
man
next
trying to
street
find
right there is Bluff
something.
Road.
Yeah, guys, y'all see that? See me? Look.
Also, you may be on
Yeah,
the
Sirski.
on the other side of the
That
light.
looks
They
good.
got buildings on the other side of the light too.
side?
All right,
that's
guys.
Bluff Road right here. So
I'm gonna
light
bring
right
you.
there,
I'm
the
gonna
street,
turn the camera
that's
back
Bluff
on.
Road. That whole
As
thing
soon
is
as I
Bluff Road.
get
On this
done, I'm
side,
gonna walk
that's
you
gonna
around
be
the
building.
whole. Y'all saw the
Those
process.
buildings
It's an easy
considered
process.
Bluff Road. Okay.
All right, guys, I'm gonna
Just
turn the
right
camera
outside
back
the light.
on.
Yeah.
Well, let me get this one little spot.
I've been
back
driving
here
in circles
first.
looking for it. I'm like,
I'm gonna get
it's
this
probably
this
right
whole
on the
quarter
side, like
panel,
that warehouse.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
they got some
assume.
big, they got some big warehouse right on the other side of that light.
and
Okay,
then
so you gotta go left instead of right.
and then I'm
Yeah,
gonna
so if you go
bring
straight,
y'all
yeah.
back.
So if you come
Get
back
this
down,
quarter panel right
you
here.
right here, make a left. That's Bluff Road.
Sorry about that, guys. The young man was looking for some directions, a delivery man. So sometimes you get some extra stuff in your video, but it's all good. Look at that. That is a glass house, y'all. Woo! Yes, sir. That look good. I ain't gonna lie. Woo. The whole car gonna look like that when I get done with it. Yep. That's what we doing today, y'all. I did the trunk and this quarter panel. I'm gonna do the whole entire car, and then I'll bring you guys back. So I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right, guys. With the magic of YouTube, we back. And it's 2.5 hours later. Look at this thing, guys. Wheels all done. Look at the hood. Look at the top. Come on now. It's all buffed out. Thing glass house. I still haven't decided how I'm gonna do that scratch right there, but I'll figure it out. But other than that, the whole thing's done. I touched up this scratch that was right here and that scratch that was right there. Look, y'all see it? That's how black's supposed to look. Actually, you can see me walking, guys. Come on now. Y'all know how we do. Like my boy Swole 55. Don't do average. Look. Y'all see this thing? It's a glass house, man. Rims clean. Got tire dressing on them. Windows clean. Hood scoop. Look at it. Look. See the light flashing? Come on now. It's done. And this headlight was 1,000% worse, and I got it halfway decent. I should have did it before and after, but it don't matter. It was way worse than that. I mean, 1,000 worse. Yeah, it's got a little patina on it right here, you know, on the fender, but it's a 79, guys. I mean, yeah, 79. Notchback. Y'all see it? Let y'all see the inside. Yeah, and it smells good in here. Y'all see the tack right there. Oil gauge, water gauge, short throw shifter. It's ready to go, man. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Gotta wipe the door jambs out, but that's the last thing I do before I give it back to the customer. Yep. Come on now. Get this thing. And it's like 2.5 hours later. Actually, I'm gonna let y'all see up under here. It ain't got no hood thing. Look, guys. Look at the engine. Come on now. Yeah, Sirski. Thing is nice. And like I said, guys, there's the thing. I'm not gonna do that, but there's the engine. Yeah, I'll see it. Don't know what size it is. Got the MSD distributor. Got the MSD over there. Everything MSD. MSD coil. Come on, man. This thing set up to roll. Got adjustable coilovers. Y'all see it over there? Shock over there. Y'all see it? Adjustable. Come on. It's got QA1 suspension in the back. Hodgkin suspension in the back. I don't think I can get up under there and show you. Oh, yeah, maybe you can peek through there. Y'all see? Hodge Tech. See right there? Yeah. Come on. Yep. It's a gem right here. And like I said, I don't know what he gonna do with it. But if he decides to sell it, he'll let me know. And I'll let y'all know. But yeah, we just did actually, I did a wash and buff with some of my secret sauce. And look at this thing. Whew. Yes, sir. Came out beautiful. And that paint, guys, like I say, this is 79 now. 79 notchback. Yep. I'm done with it. Took me a little while like it always does when you do that. Oh, this door locked. I can't open that door. But yeah, guys, that's it. Y'all can see down through there. Air going straight down in the engine. Yep. But there you have it. 69 Mustang notchback. It's done. And boy, I ain't gonna lie, it look good. It looks good. Yeah, I got all the equipment over here. You know. Yep. But all I did was buffed it, and that's it. Got some scratches off and did some touch up. And this is what I use. I'll show you what I use, but y'all can't get this. This is what I use. I use this pink wax. Yep. Yep, that's what I use. And I use a green foam pad on my Harbor Freight DA buffer. And that's all I did. And y'all see the gloss. Y'all can see me. Look, see? Now that's how black's supposed to look, people. Come on now. If you get somebody do your kind and don't look like that, something the matter. All right, guys, drop in the comment section and let me know if you think I did a good job. I know what the comments going to be like. Catfish did his thing. But yeah, guys, that's going to end this video. And just like that, this video is over. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.